Now it's time to add subpages to your ePortfolio. So we've already established a home page. Now we need to add subpages. And each of your subpages is going to be named after one of the attributes from the vision of a learner. Right now on my screen, you will see the district webpage where we have the vision of a learner, and each of the attributes are here. If you have any questions about what these attributes are, please always visit this page. Now, if I go to my Capstone ePortfolio, you will notice I'm on my homepage right now. I've already begun to add the different attributes of the vision of a learner. All you need to do is go up to Pages in your toolbar, click New Page, and you'll just type in the name of the attribute that you're adding. There should be 6 attributes and a statement page. Those are all the pages that you will need as subpages. If you ever need to relocate them or reorganize them, you could drag and drop them by moving up. If you need to rename them, just double click on them and it will allow you to rename the subpage.